what do you get when you combine shrimp with a thrilling vision? Pleasure Pier. In today's video, we're going to give you some peer pressure. Not my tagline, theirs.
Hey everyone, we're the Thrill Guys.
And in today's video, well, it's not just today, because we've got a double feature. We're in one state.
We've got 2 boardwalks, 3 chins.
The blue tongue. Dippin' Dots.
Yeah.
Anyway, the 2 parks that we're going to be featuring in these 2 videos are, of course, Pleasure Pier behind us. And
next up, we got Kema boardwalk up the coast.
And we got on-ride permission.
Yeah,
you don't want to miss this. We got Bubba Gumps right out front.
Bubba Gump.
A swing ride.
All right, guys, just the early 1900s, just a few blocks away, was Electric Park, the original entertainment capital of this area. Think of thousands of incandescent light bulbs twinkling and everything you see here back in the early 1900s. Scary? Yes. Thrilling? Hell yes. We are in Gameland. Why? Because we want to announce our game that we have. As you guys know, we are going to tell one blatant error in our video from today. Subscribe to our channel, comment what the error is, and we will enter you into a randomizer to win a prize. Make sure you like the video as well. All right, guys, in 1941, Pleasure Pier became known as a military entertainment facility. So think of open-air movies with the ocean breeze, some awesome candy and treat stands, games, dance parties. Pretty cool that we did that for our military. Later in the 40s, it opened up as a public pier, still as Pleasure Pier, and was known as the kind of a king destination for everybody to come to. Nothing like it in this area, so 1940s.
Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. Britney Spears. You don't know that reference, Bret? In the music video, she's looking out of it.
She's on a boardwalk?
She's on a boardwalk, the whole thing.
Oh.
Sometimes I run. Anyway, we've made it to 1961. Unfortunately, this pier sits on the Gulf of Mexico. That's right, I said it. Which is a very warm body of water, which, as we know, creates some very forceful storms. 1961, Carla came in like a wrecking ball, Miley. It was a Category 4 storm, and it made major damage to the entire Galveston area, especially our beloved Pleasure Pier. But it came back. You're gonna have to wait for what happened next.
All right, 1965, 4 years after Carla destroyed this area, Galveston rebuilt a really cool hotel called the Flagship Hotel, where you could literally just chill on the balcony and fish over the water off the pier. Like, how cool is that? This is one of the only nation's hotels that was over water, so it was rumored that during storms, the waves would crash up against the windows, which is kind of scary. Pretty sure, we'll do our research, but we think it was right here where the roller coaster and the log flume now sit.
The hotel lasted 40 years until Hurricane Ike came in 2008. I told you, these waters are warm. Storms don't like that. Completely had to, gut this place out, and, it then was bought by the Landry's Group in 2009. And they built this place up to what we see today. It didn't open until 2012, but every single ride here, making our job easy for this histCOASTEry tour, every single ride opened in 2012, including this chair. I don't know about that, but...
We don't know that's true.
It's loud here. But 2012, this pier opened. All of the rides all at once. 15 plus rides. This place is definitely a treat for Texas. The Iron Shark. which is one of Texas's first, I think it actually is the first Eurofighter for Texas. This thing is pretty cool to see. It's definitely a twisted metal piece, a phenomenal engineering feat of just fitting so much stuff in such a tight wound space. It goes 100 feet vertically, over vertical drop, and then of course it goes through 4 inversions, 52 miles an hour. It's closed today, but hopefully it will open for us tomorrow. We really want to wait for it. We know that a part is coming, and we might just barely miss it by like a couple of hours. Next up is going to be us riding this thing, Pirates Plunge.
Small little ride.
Honestly, we've been seeing people get off this thing and they're soaked, and we can't tell if like they've been on it multiple times or hanging out in the soak zone which you get wet.
Listen, we're standing in a puddle of water right now, like 25 feet away from it, so I'm assuming it's a soaker.
The park managers gave us permission to do some on-ride filming, so we're going to take you on this thing right about now.
So shout out to Heather and James. Thank you guys so much. It's been awesome.
Yeah, incredible.
There's so much water in this. Dude, put your feet up. My brain is soaked. Look at the water in here. All right, guys, we're on the plunge.
Pirates Plunge.
Pirates Plunge. Paradise Pier.
Oh, look at her. Her pants have been gnawed on by sharkies.
This looks pretty intense for this small of a footprint. What can you see?
They really want us to get wet. Putting you up front.
No, I'm a big dude. Oh. Handlebars.
All right, we're in Pleasure Pier. We're in
Pleasure Pier. Galveston, Texas.
Galveston. First drop.
Oh.
We're gonna get soaked.
No. Oh, God. My God. Mike. The level of wet.
Just basically got it now.
That is not. There's nothing dry. Wow. Feels good.
Yeah, this is a great ride on the,
Oh my God.
the
Dude,
Texas
look.
seaside. Hot days, hot and humid days.
This is just a small hill. Here we go.
Oh, now we're going on the big ride.
Wait, what? Oh, this wraps around in the big drop. Hey, well, we're cooled off. Uh-oh. Let's do this. The Pirates Plunge. This is a cool park.
Okay, look at the views. Views for days. Classic pier park.
All right, the girls are shaking. Here we go.
This sits on a plot of pier property where an old hotel used to stand.
I know. On the pier?
Right on the pier.
That's cool.
One of the only.
Okay, here we go.
First drop.
First.
Big drop.
This is the big one. Yeah! Oh my God! That is just crazy amount of water.
Oh no.
Okay, well you get more wet on the first drop than the second, so keep that in mind.
That doesn't matter because you're in it for the whole adventure. You
That's
can't get off. Land lovers beware.
Land lovers. Like lovers. Land lovers.
You don't walk the blank.
We're not pirates.
Look at that. Look how cool that is. Like an infinity
That's
ride.
really cool. That's
Right into
really
the
cool.
ocean.
Seagull. Here we go.
That's so good. Look at this. So neat. Right over the edge. Pretty spooky.
All right, well, solid first at the pier.
Well, thank you so
Paradise
much,
Pier.
Pleasure Pier.
Thank you, Pleasure Pier. Alright, you guys. We just got off of the plunge. I'm a little dry. Anyways.
A little dry.
Oh,
It's opposite day.
It's opposite day. That's the lie. Alright, we just got off the plunge, guys. I didn't know this, but they have sharks in the water in the troughs here. Like, it's kind of scary. You're just in a little plastic log and there's sharks.
One of the coolest things about this park is there's not a lot of space. I mean, look how close this coaster basically goes over the pier. How awesome is that? Iron Shark. Fingers crossed this thing opens for us. Twisted Metal. Wow. Hey everybody, don't forget, in this video and all of our histCOASTEry videos, we have a prize giveaway. As Bret mentioned early on, if you catch a glaring error,
Obvious.
you make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment what that arrow is for a chance to win.
And then we'll announce the winner in upcoming videos, so watch them all. Final thoughts on Pleasure Pier.
Well, that's the final scoop.
That's the final scoop.
They're like two seagulls fighting for fries.
So much adventure.
Final thoughts. I mean, incredible.
Such
Man,
a cool plot.
I wish it was in my backyard. Like,
It's special because there's history, it's unique, it's small, it's clean, like, it's just awesome.
Yeah.
We loved it.
Pretty cool. And Elton John's playing right now. Every time Elton John plays, or I find a coin on the ground, or there's deer around,
Or I'm in an RV.
I know my dad's around, so extra special day.
The hell's that whistle? Oh, it's a trolley.
Anyway, make it down here. But remember, do not forget, next video, we're finishing off this double feature with Kema Boardwalk, which is owned by the same company. Oh, you know, just riding on the seawall in Galveston on our Emma 3.0s. There's Bret taking up the rear, like usual. Look at this. Oh my God. It's incredible.